Hello friends, welcome back to Taste of Mountain. Today, we are diving into one of Bengal's most loved and iconic dishes, rich, spicy, and absolutely irresistible chicken kosha. So let's begin this flavorful journey. Take 1 kilogram of fresh curry-cut chicken in a large mixing bowl. Now, add soaked curd 4 tablespoons, ginger paste 1 tablespoon, garlic paste 1 tablespoon, cumin paste 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder a half tablespoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, lemon juice to 2-3 tablespoons, salt 1 tablespoon, mustard oil 1 small cup, desi ghee a half tablespoon. Now mix everything beautifully using your hands. Coat every piece of chicken with this aromatic masala. Once the chicken is well coated, cover it and let it marinate for at least 2 to 3 hours. This resting time allows the flavors to seep deep into the meat, making the chicken richer and more delicious. Now heat 150 to 200 grams of mustard oil in a wok on medium flame. When the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of ghee, let it melt, and gently stir to distribute heat evenly. Now add 1 bay leaf cut in half and 2 dry red chilies. Give a quick stir and let them sizzle. Next, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 8 to 10 green chilies. Allow them to fry for a few seconds until they release their fragrance. Now, add 3 medium-sized finely chopped onions. Keep the flame on medium and saute the onions until they turn golden brown, stirring at regular intervals to avoid burning. Add a half tablespoon ginger paste and a half tablespoon garlic paste, and cook until the raw smell disappears. Next, add a half tablespoon cumin paste and a half tablespoon red chili powder. Stir well so the spices bloom in the oil. Now add 2 medium sliced tomatoes, mix them in. Sprinkle a half tablespoon salt, a little turmeric, and stir again. Add a splash of water to help the tomatoes soften faster. Once the tomatoes have melted and formed a thick masala, add 2 tablespoons of sour curd. Cook it on low flame for a minute to prevent curd from splitting. Now it's time to add our beautifully marinated chicken. Increase the flame to medium and mix everything well, ensuring the chicken is fully coated with the masala. Cover the wok and cook the chicken, opening the lid occasionally to stir. This slow cooking on medium flame, Bengali style, is what gives chicken kosha its deep color and bold flavor. As the masala cooks, you will notice oil separating from the edges. This means everything is getting beautifully roasted. When the chicken is almost done, add a little water depending on how thick you want your kosha gravy to be. Remember, chicken kosha traditionally has a thick, rich gravy, not watery. Finally, add 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, sprinkle some crushed roasted kasuri methi, and give it a gentle stir. And look at that! The color, the aroma, the texture, everything is absolutely perfect. Your delicious, mouth-watering Bengali chicken kosha is ready to serve.